Perhaps you work from day to night like many people do these days. Sometimes your supervisor may assign you an urgent task minutes before you're ready to go, forcing you to stay late at night. Hopefully, your efforts will be rewarded with steadily increasing pay, enabling you to not only pay for all of your expenses, but also put some money away. You hope to have thousands of dollars saved up one day so you can retire. What if we told you that there was a simpler way to achieve wealth? What if you could make your money work for you? Luckily, there are numerous methods to put your money to work for you and generate income. So, in today's video, we'll cover different ways wherein your money makes money. Accounts for retirement. The two most significant retirement accounts are 401ks and IRAs. Your savings are placed in these investment accounts with the goal of seeing exponential growth. A 401k is a retirement account provided by the employer. Since the money is deducted directly from the employee's paycheck, it is ideal for those who lack the self-control to set aside money on their own. Pre-tax dollars are invested through the 401k. This results in a decrease in your taxable income for that particular year. Once you've established your emergency funds, the next goal is to maximize the tax advantages of the 401k and then get your money into the markets to begin producing more money for you. To get the most out of your 401k, start saving as early and as much as you can. If your employer will match your contribution, aim for the highest amount to avoid losing any money. Start contributing to an IRA, Independent Retirement Arrangement, or Roth IRA once you've reached the 401k maximum. Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs are retirement accounts that you set up and fund on your own. The key distinction between the two is that withdrawals from a traditional IRA are taxed as current income after age 59 and a half, but contributions to it can be made with either pre-tax or after-tax dollars. However, with a Roth IRA, your contributions are made after tax dollars. After the age of 59 and a half, you can withdraw money without tax or penalty while your money continues to grow tax-free. It's best to start early. Getting started early enables you to take advantage of compound interest to invest in order to generate further income. If you'd like your money to make money for you, you should think about investing in the stock market once you have set the maximum permitted contribution to your retirement plans. Avoid day trading or timing the market, which involves buying and selling stocks to profit from the market's favorable fluctuations. A long-term investing approach, commonly referred to as a buy and hold approach, is better for you. This is a conservative method to investing, where you acquire a security and hold on to it for a very long time. In this manner, the investment is shielded against sudden market changes. A long-term investor will keep their assets in the hopes that the industry they invested in will have increased significantly in the future. In the expectation that your investment will have generated a respectable return during the next 10 years or more, you write out any new developments that occur during this time. The fluctuation ought to balance off over time, leading to a profit overall. Consider a scenario in which you have a spare $10,000 in your pocket but are unsure of the best method to use it to generate income. It will produce $200 if you maintain it in a high-yield savings account with an annual percentage yield or APY of 2%. Even while this isn't much, it's better than leaving it in a standard savings or checking account. Wherever you currently bank, it's simple to start a high-yield savings account, although online banks often have the best rates. By reducing the number of physical sites, businesses can lower their costs and increase their rates for clients. Every financial advisor will advise you to have emergency funds, at least 6 months' worth of living expenses, in instantly accessible cash. Your emergency funds are better stored in a high-yield savings account where you can immediately access them if the need arises. There are now robo-advisors that can automate your investing portfolio if you don't have the time or expertise to manage it yourself. Robo-advisors will build a custom portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and other preferences using complex algorithms. To further reduce your risks, they'll provide you with a diverse portfolio made up of a number of funds. Your investment in the stock market have the potential to grow your wealth. Investing in real estate is another terrific way to make your money work for you because housing is one of the most basic human necessities and demand is always high. Either residential or commercial real estate is available for investment. You can profit from real estate investments in two different ways, through appreciation and rental revenue. With time, a property gains value or appreciation, and you can profit once you sell it. When it comes to real estate investments, keep in mind that location improvements accelerate property appreciation, and that a residential property's location is the most important factor in appreciation when amenities such as transit routes, shopping centers, schools, and recreational facilities are built up around an area. The value increases significantly. Rental income is the second way you can profit from real estate. For both residential and commercial properties, your tenants must pay a certain monthly sum known as rent. Let's explore some practical ways you can start making money with real estate. First, flipping. Flipping is the process of purchasing a property, making fast improvements to it, and then selling it. You need an eye for profitable properties if you want to make money flipping properties. The underlying costs associated with bringing the property up to the desired level and its prospective value ought to be easy to determine. You should be able to work with a renovation company or do the repairs yourself. Business. Even though there are dangers involved with beginning your own business, you can earn a great deal of money. Investing in a startup can be quite profitable. If you can't handle the pressure of starting a business, you can be a silent partner by investing money in someone else's project. Although you won't be able to influence the day-to-day operations of the company, if everything goes according to plan, you will have no trouble receiving a portion of the earnings. Real estate crowdfunding platform. The strategy of investing in real estate is best suited for people with limited access to funds since it usually costs a lot of money to invest in real estate. These have historically been the domain of the wealthy and those with access to financing. It entails the process of combining resources to make real estate investments. The best part is that you may get started with as little as $100. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you may purchase a high-value piece of property on one of the many crowdfunding sites for real estate. Rentals for vacation. You can make some money by short-term renting out a room or house. Companies including Airbnb have made it simple for property owners and investors to profit from this by appealing to tourists. If your property is situated in a popular tourist area, this will definitely come in handy. There's a considerable demand for these arrangements because many tourists prefer them over hotel accommodations. Acquire and hold. Here, you purchase a home or business and rent it out. Either you or a management company can decide to manage the property to relieve you of the stress associated with being a landlord. Self-improvement. Your marketable abilities can be improved with time and money, and you will soon start to see financial benefits. Go for credentials and degrees that can help you become a top earner and in-demand professional in your field. You don't even need to spend 4 years at an Ivy League university or pay a lot of money to do it. Numerous online courses give you the chance to advance your education for a fair price and earn certifications in your interested fields. Ultimately, your money can work in your favor. These things we've shared with you today may all be categorized as passive sources of income, or ways to earn money without putting much effort if you know how to use it properly. The best thing about passive income is that after you set it up, you can keep making money even while you're sleeping. The fact that you now understand how to make money is what matters most, so choose one and go for it. That concludes today's video, which we hope you enjoyed and learned something from. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.